Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. As you can see, I am out and about, so unfortunately I cannot tag anybody. But I hope you make your way here in the Good morning, Gina. This cathedral looks so nice in the sun. Good morning, Ari. Oh, look at the sun. So pretty. Oh, this is beautiful. Such a nice view. I tried to take a picture, but it closed me out. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. It's pretty cold though. It's now like 55, which is nice. But then yesterday was very warm. Today I think it's gonna be warm as well, like around 70. All right. Turtleless pond. Let's see if I can put it on. There you go. Good morning, Jean. All right. It is time for us to start. And today we will learn a technique that's called affectionate breathing. Affectional breathing is different from regular breathing meditations because it emphasizes savoring our natural rhythm of breath instead of intentionally changing the breath. And this meditation, affectionate breathing, is one of the tools of the mindful self-compassion. So without further ado, let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position. If you'd like to, you can close your eyes or keep them open. Take a few slow, easy breaths without forcing anything, just releasing any unnecessary tension. Settling into the present moment. And if you wish, you can place a hand or both hands over your heart, or perhaps some other part of your body that might feel comforting, soothing. Just feeling the gentle touch of your hands, maybe the warmth of your hands. Remind yourself that now you're bringing not only awareness, but affectionate awareness to your breathing and to yourself. You can relax your hands back into your lap or wherever they feel comfortable at any point, or keep them at your heart or wherever else it feels soothing, comforting. Connect with your experience as you connect with your breath. Allow your body to feel whatever it feels. Don't try to change anything. This is what it means. This is how it feels to have a human body, to be alive, just like this. And now begin to notice your breath. Feel your breath moving through your body. Notice where in your body it feels the easiest for you to breathe. Maybe you feel it most easily at the nostrils, the air moving in and out. Or maybe it's the rising and falling of your chest. Or perhaps the expansion and contraction of your belly. Or maybe you feel your breath move out. Allowing this practice to be very simple. There is no need to do anything. Just feel the movement of your breath, wherever you can feel it. Feeling your body, breathing in, and feeling your body, breathing out, naturally. And now see if you can gently open up your heart to your breathing. Watch your breath with the same tender attention that you might have toward a beloved child. Feel your body breathe without forcing anything. Let your body breathe on its own. And of course, your mind will wander at some point. It's absolutely natural. Just like a child, the mind gets kind of curious about other things. So whenever you notice that your mind wanders, don't get frustrated. Gently, friendly, tell yourself, look at that. My mind is wandering, but I know that's okay. I can simply come back to my breathing now. Always talking to yourself in a friendly way. Loving, caring, affectionate. And as you do this, feel your body breathe. Be aware of the rhythm of your breath without forcing. Notice that your breath has a kind of soothing rhythm if you don't force anything. Just the rising and falling, like the movement of the waves, the sea, continuously nourishing the body as you breathe in, continuously relaxing the body as you breathe out. You don't have to do anything. Your body, your breath, do it on their own. Notice that the body breathes itself, that this happens on its own, that there is in your body a very natural, soothing rhythm that has been with you since you were born. So just take a moment now and enjoy it, savoring, appreciating that soothing rhythm of your breath. There is a difference between watching your breath, observing your breath, and feeling it. So relax all the forcing that may happen unintentionally just because you are practicing. And see if you can simply feel your body being rocked, being caressed by the breath. Feel how your body moves, like the sea, rising and falling, allowing your whole body, your whole being to be caressed, soothed, nourished by your breathing. Maybe at some point you would want to give yourself over to your breath. Become the breath itself. See if you can let the breath be all there is right now. Nothing else, just breathing. Again, whenever your mind wanders off, remind yourself kindly that it's okay. It's just the nature of the mind. And gently bring your awareness back to the breath. Let yourself be that natural rhythm. There is nothing you need to do. Just being the breath itself and knowing that the soothing, rhythmic movement of the breath is always there for you. And you can return to it at any time. As you continue feeling your breath, I'd like to complete our practice with a poem by Julia Fehrenbacher called The Cure for It All. Go gently today. Don't hurry or think about the next thing. Walk with the quiet trees. Can you believe how brave they are? How kind? Model your life after theirs. Blow kisses at yourself in the mirror, especially when you think you've messed up. Forgive yourself for not meeting your unreasonable expectations. You are human, not God, so don't be so arrogant. Praise fresh air, clean water, good dogs. Spin something from joy. Open a window even if it's cold outside. Sit, close your eyes, breathe. Allow the river of it all to pulse through eyelashes, fingertips, toes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe until you feel your bigness, until the sun rises in your veins. Breathe until you stop needing anything to be different. Breathe until you stop needing anything to be different. So as you go through your day today, come back to this affectionate breathing practice as many times as you remember. Simply allowing your awareness to rest in the body, allowing yourself to be cradled and soothed by the rhythm of your breath, feeling alive with the breath. Enjoy this exploration. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.